This is a big and tall drafting chair, up to 400-pound capacity and a 21-inch wide seat. From the company KWKSV, giving you a nice large template on how to set up your chair, your stool. It is a black fabric, plastic, aluminum alloy metal with a nice large round base and has a nice height. We're going to show you how simple it is to set up and what it's about. Blue Whale chair. It has a kit that gives you a right angle Allen key, all the bolts, and some spare parts. You're going to open everything up and get things ready. Your caster base, a chrome cover that's going to lift up and off, a caster arm that's going to go on and match up hole for hole, with the short bolt, slide on and lock. With the right angle Allen key tool, lock down. Secure nice and tight. And repeat for the other 4. When all 5 are tightened up, you're going to put the cover on like so and snap into place. You're going to turn around and put the casters on next, and they are located here. These are the caster wheels. They got a little ring. They go into the hole. You're going to gently, on an angle, wiggle around until they snap in. They're going to sit not flush until you get all 5 on. A little wiggle. And they'll go in. On an angle, a little wiggle, and they're in. With the main base on the floor, push down on each of the wheels until they all start to seat in. The piston simply slides in and then correctly place on the footstool. It has an adjustment for your height you want and lock down. We have the base. This is the front, the back. We have the arms. You're going to take an arm. You're going to place on with the washer, lock on. Use the Allen key to screw down. 2 more bolts and washers into place. Repeat for the other side by taking the other arm, placing over the holes, and locking down. Finish off with the other 2 bolts. With the arrow facing forward, take a bolt, place in to each of the corresponding holes, and lock down with the right Allen key. With the back of the brace, you have 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Place in, to the lined hole, screw down, repeat for the other two, and lock down with the right Allen key. With the back, place on, put in the last two bolts to the corresponding holes, and lock down. With the cover, place over, lock into place. Before assembling your piston and your chair base to the piston, please remove the safety cap off. Then take the chair and match up the hole and place on. And when you carefully sit on the chair, it'll lock into place. Then you're able to lift the chair the height you want. And that is the height of the big and tall chair. It is nice and tall. And if it's too tall, just simply lower down. The arms, they slide forward, they lock into place, they go up in the air and they go down, and they slide out. The big and tall chair is fully assembled. The height of the chair at its lowest level, from the floor to the base, measures 26 inches, of the maximum height of 35 inches. The base to the top measures 2 feet. Your chair itself is 21 inches, and the widest part of the chair is about 28 inches across. This is a big and tall chair. It sits nice and high, with the base on the floor that you could adjust by raising and lowering to your height. It is a chair capacity of up to 400 pounds, and it has caster wheels that will roll. Lower it to the height you want it for and adjust the arms. This is a big and tall chair. I hope you enjoy your chair. It has lumbar support in the back over here that you could twist, and a handle that you could raise on both sides. Lower and raise, and adjust in and out. Also on the bottom, so you could tilt back easily or hard, and you can lock it into place that won't tilt. This is the big and tall chair. Thank you for viewing.